Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can issue credit notes on Bokio accounting software. To issue credit notes we can do it two ways. Either if we go to invoicing and under invoices, we can click on this drop down list and start to creating new credit note. In that case you will need to actually select an invoice, and you can see invoice numbers there, so if you know to which invoice this credit note need to be allocated, select from this drop down list. Otherwise you can go to invoices list, you can check which invoice need to be credited, for example Laura T, and we can see what details been provided there. From here, to issue credit note, click on these three dots and we can issue credit note. Now, this credit note will be connected to invoice 105. We can amend details. So for example, I want to issue credit note only for book. Then I can delete this line and it has been removed. So only credit note for book for 120 will be issued. I can add additional information, attach files if required, and most importantly, select credit note date. Now I have an option to email to customer this credit note or download as PDF or print out. I will select email to customer. Don't forget to provide an email address so this credit note can be distributed out. I can save this credit note as a draft, preview as a PDF, or send and publish. Don't forget to record invoice if you haven't selected an automated system recordings. Okay. Now credit note has been recorded for invoice 105. So if I look in details, this is how credit note looks like, and it's only for health and safety book. So if I go back to my invoices and I look on Laura T, it's overdue, and if I click on 105, I can see that there have been an invoice credited for £120 and it is on credit note 114. So there is credit note for credit note 114, and it's based on invoice 105. Okay, so if we click on all invoices, we can see the credit note is there. So this is a way how you can issue credit notes on Bokio accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Bokio tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.